Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification in WhatsApp to add an extra layer of security to your account first. Open WhatsApp on your phone. If you're on Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. If you're on iPhone, just tap Settings at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Account. And then select two-step verification. Here, tap Enable. WhatsApp will ask you to create a 6-digit PIN. This PIN will be required anytime you try to verify your phone number on WhatsApp again. Enter your PIN and confirm it. Next, you'll be asked to add an email address. This is optional, but highly recommended because it helps you reset your PIN if you ever forget it. Enter your email and confirm it. Once you've set that up, tap Done. Two-step verification is now enabled on your WhatsApp account, which means your chats are much safer from unauthorized access. For more tips and tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.